Yeah, hello everyone, this is Marco from Italy, and this video is about something I had to share because it was so easy to do and I done it. So there was a friend of mine who posted on Facebook the astonishing results of an experiment which was done on two different plants. You know that experiment, probably you know that. Those plants were watered with different kind of water. The first one was watered with traditional water, so probably tap water from the sink. And the other one was watered with different kind of water, the same water, but this water was previously boiled with microwave oven. And these plants were watered for something like a week. And the article claimed that after a week, the second plant, the one watered with microwave water, died, and whereas the other plant survived and was in good health. So as you know, one of the principles of the scientific method is that all the experiments, if double, if copied, must have similar results. Otherwise, the law, which is proven by the experiment, isn't valid. And so I decided I'd try this similar experiment of this because it was so easy to do. And here it is. You can see the results. Also, it might be boring for some of you, so if you just want to skip to the results, there is a link below here. You can click on it and go. Enjoy it. Sorry for my English. I was not in good, I don't know, thinking by that time. Also, my English is not perfect, so enjoy, just enjoy. So these are the plates, the dishes I'm going to use for specimen A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to just prepare the bed for the seed growth using some toilet paper. I decided to use toilet paper because it's really easy to use the same quantity on each plate because I can just decide how many sheets I should use, and it will be useful. So I placed some sheets on each plate, and as you can now see, there we're going to be
one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two. There's a little corner here, three, one, two, three, and one, two, three. Okay, so it's three for each plate. If one's wet, they're gonna be too thin. I'm gonna put some more, but still on the same quantity.
Okay, I don't know if you can see, but the water is bubbling. Yeah, maybe you can see that. I had to raise the timer because it took a lot of time. Maybe it's too much water, so now I can stop it. Okay, and I will leave it here so it will just cool down as much as I can use it for, watering plants. Plains, dirt, a lot of dirt and some plains. Mostly dirt, but some plains as well. These are the seeds I'm going to use. It's a rocket salad, as you can see from the picture. It's pretty suitable, I think, because the seeding time is from February to October. And now it's May, almost June, so
okay, these are the plates for specimen A, specimen B, specimen C, specimen D, and specimen E. So as you can see, I tried to put 7 seeds in all the plates. Okay. The seeds are evenly placed. As you can see, the distance between the seeds is kind of similar, not of course perfectly similar, but I tried to put that the same. So it's like something like 2 or 3 centimeters, the one from the other. So this will gonna be the specimen A. So the place where we're gonna pour microwaved boiled water, of course after cooling down. And this is gonna be specimen B, where I'm gonna put boiled water, traditionally boiled water, so with a flame. This is gonna be specimen C. As you can see, below specimen C there is a paper. In this paper I try to put some bad words, something that represents evil and something bad. So something like evil, death, murder, desert, diseases, and plagues. Of course, I put it also in Italian because some may argue that if you write that in the language which is not your mother tongue language, the feelings is not passed. But in this case, I wrote it in 2 ways, so it will work. Also, by writing those words, I pronounced it, and I pronounced it again and again, and I tried to think about what I was writing at the moment. So this is specimen C, sorry. Specimen D. Specimen D is just a regular plate with some seeds, and the 7 seeds as well. Specimen E is the same as specimen C, but in this case I wrote some good words. As you can see, I switched the order, so first Italian and secondly English, just because I made a mistake. So I hope this will not affect the experiment. Okay, just by moving the seeds moved, so I'm gonna place them back where they were. Oh my god. Okay, I will fix it later. Okay, those last 3 are going to be watered with a regular tap water, as you can see here in this bottle. The bottle will be covered with a cap, so nothing can get in and nothing can get out until I just pour water. Here you can see the other water samples. This is the microwaved over water, and this is the traditionally boiled water.
Each kind of water, I will use 3 different stainless steel spoons. The dimension is kind of similar, so it's not, of course, the same, as you can see, but I hope this will not affect. So I'm going to use the first spoon on the microwave water for the specimen.
Microwave water, 1 full spoon. There you go. Okay. The seeds naturally spread. I will not change that.
Still a spoon with traditional boiled water. Okay, full spoon. Specimen B. It touched it. Okay. Okay. Third spoon, normal water, tap water, no boiling. This is going to be on the 3 specimens. Okay, try and make it full. Okay.
Okay. As you can see, the plates are quite near to the same window, so I hope the lighting will be not, of course, the same, but similar, so not affecting the results. The only thing I'm concerned of is the screen. So the screen might heat a little bit in these 2 plates, and I hope as well this will not affect anything. Okay, this is the first day. Tomorrow I will check the water. If they need water, I will just keep on pouring water. The spoons will be removed, and tomorrow I will use 3 different spoons, or just the same spoon but after washing. And there you go. Of course, I will not just take on camera all the watering. I will just show if there is any change on the growth. Okay, this is day 2. I've decided I will put some more toilet paper, exactly 4 more sheets, because I've noticed that the toilet paper dries really quickly, and so it needs more tank to fill it up, to be filled up with water. So we'll place this 4 leaves. Each of them is 4 leaves. 3 of them below the previous sheets, and 1 on top of it, so all the seeds will be covered with water as well. So this is day 2. I was preparing the plates to put more toilet paper. As you can see here, for example, I've already put some toilet paper below. And once I was doing that, I've noticed that all the plates have some seeds which already I don't know how to say, bloomed. I don't know if this is correct. But anyhow, I hope this is going to be clear here and here on the sample A. Specimen B as well, as you can see here, probably here as well, and there starting, and here starting. Specimen C, there you go, 1, 2, 3. Specimen D, 1, 2, 3. Specimen E, 1, 2, oh sorry, out of focus. Anyhow, 2, 3, 4. So this might be the end of the experiment. As you can see, both all the samples grew some sprouts, you see. Okay, I'll show that again one by one. This is sample A, watered with microwave water. And you can see that almost all the seeds sprouted, or whatever you call it. This is sample B, and you see the sprouts are a little bit bigger actually than the sprouts on the sample A, but I don't know if that's relevant or not. Anyhow, all the seeds sprouted. And this was a sample where I used traditionally boiled water. Here as well, there are sprouts, comparable. And this was the sample C, the one with bad words. This was the sample with nothing, and almost all the seeds sprouted. The sprouts are not so big, but it worked. And this is the last sample where I used good words, also some water spilled, so the paper is stained, but it worked anyhow. There are sprouts here as well.
Está explicando un experimento.